Hello, this is NathanAhn, and today we'll be going over the circle problems today. So our first section is order of operations, and our first question is 3 times 4 plus 2. And we'll first start by multiplying 3 and 4 because that comes first before addition. So we have 12 plus 2, which would then equal to 14. For number 2, we have 3 times 4 plus 2, and we'll start with the parentheses first because that comes before multiplication and division. And then we have then 3 times 6. So our answer then would be 18. For number 3, we have 10 divided by 2 times 5. And to start, we could actually divide first because that comes before multiplication. So then we have 5 times 5, which would then equal to an answer of 25. For number 6, we have 2 squared times 5, and then we're going to have to do the exponent first because that comes before multiplication. So we then have 4 times 5, and our answer then would be 20. For number 7, we have 36 divided by 3 squared, and we will first then find the square, simplify this because exponents come first before division. So we have 36 divided by 9. And our answer then would be 4. So for then our next section, we have equations with variables. And our first question is 5 plus a equals 17. What does a equal? So we could actually find this by subtracting 5 from both sides. Then we're left with a equals 12. And our answer, so that's our answer, a equals 12. For number 2, we have 4 plus 3b equals 16. So we could first subtract 4 from both sides. We're left with 3b equals 12. And if we were to divide 3 on each side, then you're left with b equals 4. And that's our answer, b equals 4. For number 5, we have e plus 5 squared equals 43. We can first simplify the 5 squared, so we have e plus 25 equals 43. And if you subtract 25 from both sides, you're left with e equals 18. For number 6, we have 3f times 3 times 2 plus 2 equals 38. So we could first subtract 2 from both sides. So we have 3f times 3 times 2 equals 36. And then we could divide 2 on both sides to get rid of this 2. So then we have 3f times 3 equals 18. And then we could divide 3 from both sides to get rid of this 3. So we have 3f equals 6. And if you divide 3 on both sides, you have f equals 2, and that's our answer. For number A, we have 8h times 1 to the power of 51,841 equals 48. But then for the power, it's still just going to be 1. So we actually just have 8h times 1 equals 48. We could simplify this to 8h equals still 48 because 1 divided by, well, 48 divided by 1 is still 48. And so 8h divided by, so if you divide on h for each sides, you have h equals 6. And for word problems, our first question is, Jack was doing his math homework when he found out that he got a problem wrong. He was solving the expression 5 plus 6 times 3 and got answer 33. So part A is asking what did he do wrong? So he did the wrong order. And if he did the right order, it would look like 5 plus 6 times 3. We would first then have to multiply 6 and 3 because multiplication comes first. So we have 5 plus 18. And then we would have an answer of 23. For number 2, we have 12 bookshelves have the same number of books each. If there is a total of 132 books in the bookshelves, how many books does each bookshelf have? So we could just simply divide 132 by 12, which would equal then to 11. So there will be 11 books on each shelves. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching.